Hey everybody, it's Joe Friesen again, and welcome back to another episode where we do a how-to video. This time, I got some new shoes, and I've got some spray paint, and we're gonna have some fun. So I got some new shoes, and they're emblazoned with Metal Mulisha. They're the Etnies Metal Mulisha shoe. The reason I bought these is that they were the only ones that they had in stock that were wide enough to fit my foot. My feet have gotten a lot wider as I've gotten older, so don't get me wrong, I like the Etnies brand. The thing that I'm not sure about, and I know nothing about Metal Mulisha, so I don't really feel like supporting if I don't know anything about them. I've been told some things about them, and well, Now, what I was told about Metal Mulisha crew, and what I don't know, seems to be from just general observation to be true, that it's a lot of guys running a lot of high-powered sleds, quads, vehicles. I don't know if it's fair to say this or not. They just all seem like a bunch of jocks, and they wear those white-rimmed sunglasses and the backwards hats and shit, and it just seems really, really lame. Oh, and if you are one of those Metal Mulisha people and you disagree with everything I just said, leave a comment below. I'd like to hear it. It's very vague and unfair generalizations, I'm sure, but it just seems to be the crowd that is Metal Mulisha is just douchey. So my solution to some really lame stuff is I'm going to shoot, well, you're going to see, I'm going to shoot a layer of white over everything that says Metal Mulisha, and then we're going to make some scam logo. We're just going to do scam on it, and we'll run you through the process. First, start with the white. So I'm not going to mask anything off. I'm just going to kind of shoot it and hope for the best and see how it goes. So after one coat of white, one really heavy coat of white, you know, they must have known people were going to do this, because the white paint actually makes the Metal Mulisha stuff stand out way more than it did. You know, I'm not saying they purposely made that happen, but it seems that everywhere that I spray white, the Metal Mulisha stuff just pops. So I'm gonna have to dig. That's it. Normally it's just like black and gloss black, and now it's like white. Did not see that coming. So we're gonna have to go through a lot more paint and hopefully cover all that up. Okay, so I've got 3 liberal coats of paint on these things. It's going to start soaking through pretty soon. Still not covering up the Metal Mulisha as well as I'd like it to. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it outside, and this white paint takes forever to dry, so just to have some fun, I'm going to roll it around in the dirt a little bit. Okay, found a little bit of dirt outside here. Gonna mess these up, see how it turns out. it dry, see how it turns out. Okay, so we took a little bit of drying time, and this is what it looks like after the dirt dries. Wow, can't talk. Still see the Metal Mulisha stuff, but I'm hoping to cover that up yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rag and just kind of wipe some of the excess dirt off, and then start with the red. So after some drying, this is what we're left with. Big old red, black and white mess. Now we're going to come back in with some gloss black, and I'm going to do my best attempt at writing scam on these shoes. I have a funny feeling it won't go very well because I'm not used to using spray cans, but I'm going to try. Uh-oh, lost the nozzle. Hang on. Okay, managed to find a tip that matches. Let's see what we can do. So there was my attempt to do scam shoes to cover up some Metal Mulisha logos. And I think I've successfully done that for most of it. So yeah, I'm going to let these dry, show you one last time. So after a few hours, yes hours, of drying time, this gloss black is finally, well, it's still tacky, but it's finally dry enough to handle. So I think they turned out pretty good. Not entirely legible as scam, S-C-A-M, kind of, but turned a shoe that I really didn't like the looks of into something that I think is pretty rad. S-C-A-M. So what did I learn? What did I learn from this? I learned that gloss paint takes forever to dry, literally forever to dry. I learned that I should not wear my glasses on the last take of the video, but it's been a few hours, I've been doing computer work, so I put my glasses on. And paint isn't the best thing for this. There's like textile dyes and stuff that you can actually really do, you know, proper job of this. But I had some spray paint, I had some time, and I had some shoes that I didn't want to look like they were looking. So I did this. If you dig the way they turned out, if you want me to do something like this for your shoes, shoot me a message. A few dollars. You bring me the shoes, we'll work out a deal. Fun stuff. Cheers. Now I can work on my my other shoes. I need to do some shoe goo, so that'll be the next video. Stay tuned. Peace. Cheers. I'm out.